18 pieces impact socket extension set. So what I like about this kit is 18 pieces all in one case. Therefore, you know where your extensions are. So impact, you get a 10-inch, half-inch, a 10-inch 3/8. We have a 6-inch, half-inch, 6-inch 3/8, and then now you get into your 1/4-inch, 6-inch quarter. Then you got your stubbies, 3-inch, half, 3/8, and 1/4. You get your half-inch universal, 3/8, and down there is the 1/4-inch universal. And let's see if we got anything hiding anywhere else. Here you have a 1/4 to 3/8, 3/8 to 1/4, 3/8 to half-inch, half-inch to 3/8. Here you have a 1/4-inch impact coupler, 3/8 to 1/4-inch coupler, and half-inch to 5/16 coupler. But there you go. Good value to have this quantity of extensions, universals, and adapters all in one case.